Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a comparison of features between Netflix versus Disney+. Alright, so now let's get started first with the plan, because I believe this is one of the biggest reason of you choosing one or another right here between Netflix and Disney+. So the first one is Netflix. So you have 4 options for your plan, and for Disney+, you only have 2 right here. So first, let's just go with Netflix. So you have your premium, which is around $11 or $10 right here. If you convert this into USD, so this would be around 12. And then you would have the best one. You have 4K, you have spatial audio, and your supported devices is almost everything: TV, computer, mobile phone, tablet, and so on. And of course, you can watch at 4 screens at a time, and download devices would be total of 6, and so on. So it would go lower as your plan goes lower right here. And for Disney+, you only have 2 options right here, which is the mobile and the premium one. So mobile is more budget friendly, but you can only watch it from your mobile phone, and you would only get 1 screen and only HD. It's not 1080p, so it might get kind of blurry. And for the premium, it is $369. This is much cheaper than Netflix right here, and you also already have the 4K right here, and you have 4 screens and 10 devices right here. So yeah, this is much bigger than Netflix because you have 10 devices, and you can watch all the titles and create up to 7 profiles right here. And for Netflix, we'll be discussing the profiles later on, but I think with this one, Disney Plus is much cheaper if you are looking for a more budget friendly one, while on Netflix you have more versatile options, but you would have more expensive plans right here. And now that we're done with the plans, let's now proceed into using them. So first is Netflix. You would have 5 profiles right here, while in Disney Plus you are allowed up to 7 right here, so you can always add more until you reach 7 right here. So let's just proceed right here. So in this case right here, you might have only be limited by 5 profiles on your plan with Netflix, but you will be able to add more if you go into account right here. And they have a feature called invite extra members right here. So in this way, you would be able to add more profile, but you would have to pay more. For around $3 right here, you'd be able to get a new member, or you would be able to create a new profile if you'd want to. And yeah, this would also add a maximum number of devices right here into your account. And now let's try watching one of the shows right here. So for example, this one right here, Big Bang Theory, just for an example. And let's pause that right here. So from here, you have your video player controls right here. You can change the audio, the subtitles, and you can even see the episodes right here. So basically, Netflix and Disney Plus have the same features right here. You can change the audio. You have choices right here. You can even change this into Chinese if there is available for a certain type of show. Then you'd be able to change it right here. So it's basically the same with Disney Plus. Based on my experience, they have the same features right here. You can also make it faster and so on right here. So yeah, you can change your subtitles and your audio language right here. So that is basically it for the video player. It's pretty much similar right here. And yeah, those are basically it. I guess it would now all come down into what movie or show you are wanting to watch, because some of the shows right here or movies are not available in Disney Plus but available in Netflix, and vice versa. Some shows or movies or series that you want might be available in Disney Plus but not available in Netflix. So that would also be a huge deciding factor on which one you must get between Netflix and Disney Plus. So make sure that you decide at first which shows you would want to watch, and make sure that it is available on which one you would choose. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.